Yeah, these functions are for converting a string into a number. So this string is containing numbers. Actually, these are characters. 2, 3 and 7, they also have their ASCII codes. So these are the characters. But this function str2l, this is str, that is string, to long. So it will give a long integer out of this number. So it will convert this into a long integer. And this is str2f. So this is string to float. So it will convert a string to a float number. So I have a float number here. So it takes parameter, that is a string. This is string, you have to give parameter. And this is actually the end of a string. So usually it is taken as null. So it has to be kept null. So this is not useful parameter, but this prototype of this function is having one more pointer. So it is kept as null. So it converts this into a float number, and this it will convert into a long integer. Let us try these two functions. Yeah, here in the program already I have two strings, s1 and s2. This is having a number 235, but actually it is a string. So let us convert it into a long integer. Long int x assign str2l, and I will pass s1. Now next number I will convert it into float. So float y, I will say str2f, and second string I have to pass, and I said this parameter is null. Oh, there is an error. Oh, I missed this. See, here also it needs a parameter that is null, that is end of a string, and also we should mention the base. This is a decimal number system, so it should be 10. If you are using a octal number system, then you should mention 8, or binary you have to mention 2. That is the number system you have to mention here. So both these function needs end of a string, that is where the number is ending. So it's better write null because you have everything here as a number. Now let us print these two values, cout x and l and y, and then and l. Let us print this. Yes, we got a number that is 235. Then this is 54.78. So these are numbers actually. So I will show you how these are numbers. So in this x, I will add plus 10 and show you. This is 235, so it should become 245. Yes, it is adding. So because it's a long integer, so it's an integer number, so this 10 is getting added. Now from this y, I will subtract 5 and see. So it is 54, so it should be 49. Yes, it is 49. So I am able to perform arithmetic operations because these are integer and float type of values now. Now let us look at one more function on string. Yeah. Here the function is string token, str-tok. This will tokenize a string. So if you observe a string here, x equals then 10, then semicolon, y equals 20. So the y value is 20 and z value is 35. So the way I have written a string, this means to say that x is having value 10 and y is having value 20 and z is having value 35, and these values are separated by semicolons. So from this I want to know what is the value of x or what is the value of z. So I should be able to know where is z and what is the value beside that one. So I should be able to tokenize this one, make the token. So what are the tokens? X is one token and 10 is another token, right? Y is one token and 20 is another token. Now same way z and its value 35 is another token. So I want to tokenize this string, make the tokens out of it. So for that, the delimiters are, or the symbols that are separating are equal to symbol and semicolon symbol. So the string should be tokenized based on these two symbols, equal to and semicolon. So yes, this str-tok function will tokenize a string based on the symbols that you use here or delimiters that you use here. This type of string is famously known as key value pair. That is, x is a key and its value, then separated, y is a key and 20 is its value, z is a key and 35 is a value. This is commonly used in web programming. So this type of string we can tokenize it by using this function, that is str-tok. So I'll show you how to use this function for taking out all these tokens one by one. So let us look at a demonstration on this one. Now in this program already I have a string containing this key value pairs. Now let us tokenize this, and by calling a function strtoc, that is str, so function name, sorry, string name is s1, and then the token is equal to symbol and semicolon symbol. So here what I will try to do is I will directly use it with cout. Let us see what happens. And I'll run this one. Yes, it has tokenized and it has given just one letter, that is X. But I want this 10 also. The next I want Y, then 20. Likewise, I want rest of the tokens. So for this, I have to do it repeatedly. So what is the method? How to do it repeatedly? So for that, I'll remove this and I'll show you again once again. So take a character string, that is, I will call it as token. So this is the method you should follow. Say strtoc, that is a str token, and give a string s1, and then the delimiters are equal to symbol and semicolon. Now I have to do it repeatedly, so I should take a loop while token is not equal to null. Continue. So the first token I will print it. So I will say cout token, then NL, so it should go into the next line. So the first token that will come out from this one is X, and that will be in token. So first of all I am printing that one. Then after that I should again call strtoc by passing null this time and same delimiters, and this result should be again taken in string, that is token. Yes. So let us do it repeatedly. Now this time I have to mention null because already I have given s1 to string token function. So next time onwards it works on the same string and for the same delimiter. So it will be going on giving the tokens. So one by one all the tokens will be displayed. So follow this method, and now I'll run it and show you how it will print all the tokens. See, X is first token, second one is 10, and the next is Y, then 20, then Z, then 35. That's how we can tokenize and take out all the tokens from a string. Now here I'll give just delimiter as semicolon. So here also I will change it, just semicolons. Let us see what happens. At two places I have made changes, that is X equal to 10 and so on. Right? Now I'll give equal to symbol as it is, but I'll remove semicolon. I'll give question marks. So here also equal to and question mark. Question marks are not there, so tokenizing will not be done. See, upon equal to symbol, tokenization is done. Right? So I'll remove this equal to and gives just question mark. So no question mark is there in the string, so it will give the same result again. So I got a single string. There is no tokenization. Right? So we can use different symbol. Instead of this semicolon, I'll give question marks, and then let us see what happens. So I'll give equal to symbol, and here after question mark I'll give equal to symbol. So you can give them in any order. Right? Let us run it. Yes, X10, Y20 and Z35. So that's all. I have shown you few important functions on a string. So I suggest you practice this one. Just watching videos will not help you. So next topic will be string class, that is available in C++. Then afterwards we will see some student exercise programs using strings.